In this video, we will look at the software that we need to program a PIC microcontroller and how to install them into your computer. The first software that we need to install is the Integrated Development Environment, which we call the IDE, required for programming PIC microcontrollers. So that would be MPLAB X. So we'll search for it. So as the first search result, you would be able to see this official website from Microchip Technologies. Here, there's a button for you to download MPLAB X IDE. So we'll click on that. If we scroll down, you'll be able to select the required setup file for your operating system. So I'll select the Windows version and download that. While we wait for the IDE to download, we'll search for the next software that we need to install. So that would be the compiler. So we'll search for MPLAB XC8 compiler. So you will be able to see this result, MPLAB XC compilers. I will navigate to that. And here there are several versions of compilers. So you need to select the compiler that matches the bit rate of your microcontroller. So the microcontroller that we are going to use in our demonstrations are 8-bit. So I will select this MPLAB XC8 compiler. So if your microcontroller is 16-bit, you have to select this XC16. And if your microcontroller is 32-bit, you have to select this 32-bit controller. So I will select the XC8 compiler. And I will download the necessary setup files for my operating system Windows. Now my downloads are complete. I will go to my Windows Explorer, and here I would be able to see the two setup files. First, I will install the IDE setup file. So I will run this installer. And follow the given instructions. At the end of the installation, you will be prompted to install the additional drivers. So make sure you install all of them as well. We will finish this installation now. Okay, now automatically the compiler is being installed. So I will go through the installation. Make sure that you add the compiler to your path environment variable. So as prompted here, we are proceeding with the free license. So I will click on next and finish the installation. Next, it will be downloading the XC16 compiler, but since I am only using XC8, which means an 8-bit microcontroller in this demonstration, I will not be installing this compiler. Now the installation is complete. You would be able to open up the MPLAB IDE by searching for MPLAB and clicking on this MPLAB X IDE version 6.20 and whatever your version is. Now we have successfully installed the MPLAB X IDE for PIC controller program.